Surya Teja, Pavan Kumar. What happened to him? Aditya. Aditya. Say loudly. Jagan. Rakesh. Swami. Sandeep. Your Sandeep. Shivakumar. Sai Chaitanya. Ravi Teja. Lohit. Keep quiet there, all of you. Vignesh. Sai Tarun. PV Sadish. P. Yogesh. Yogeshwar. Yashwant. Pavan. R. Pavan. Stand up there. R. Manohar. Gunashekhar. Srinivas Dev. Sachin. Again some are talking. Vasudev. Rishikesh. Ronald. By keeping absent every now and then. If you cannot come regularly, better write the exam in 2022. Don't prepare for 2021. Tanuj, Praveen, Kiran, Rohitata. What happened yesterday? Vamsi Yadav, Nikhil, Yashwant, Subramaniam, Prithviraj, Abdullah, Fayaz, Kashin Ali, Mahir, Yashwant, cannot keep quiet there. Shoaib, Yashwant, Rakesh, Sohan, Neraji, Sambat, Trivikram, Subham Dev, Harshavardhan, Sovan Mighty, Sanjeev, Subhajit Sahu, Ramadullah, Sahil. Sahil has to complete some more record works now. Sit down here. Then only the work will go speed up. Pardon? That is last week onwards you are telling I will come tomorrow, I will bring it tomorrow, I will bring tomorrow. Come and sit down here, I said. First day itself, 12th itself, we send the children, those who have not completed the work. Anybody else is there to give at least one also? Those who are to give computer, okay, I will excuse you. Computer, I think only 3 plus 2, 5 boys only gave the books. No? 10th year nobody gave the book. Pardon? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 boys only gave computer.
I sent PDF to Master.
Some are talking there. Anybody else? Anybody else from 9th to 10th B? And from 10th A? Now other than, forgot the place also. Other than computer, any other subjects you have to give? Anybody else? Where is Sahil? Down I said. Here or there, no difference. When you sit down, you'll remember to complete the work. When you sit and dream, no, that time you will dream. For what I sat down, that morning teacher made me to sit down. For what it is, like that you think. Oh, I have to write something, no. Then taking it in fast, you complete the work. Tomorrow onwards, don't come without completing the works. What about our notes, children? All of you have completed the works? Everybody? Everybody will say, yes, miss. That's not so big, yes, miss. When I check the work only, I can find it out that it is no, miss. Who all send the work? And you all the works I'll start checking from Thursday onwards. So tomorrow I'll be busy, Thursday onwards only I'll be free. What about the remaining children, those who are not completed, stand up there. Pardon? But it's left at home for parents to learn. Don't know how to keep it? Google Classroom. That's why you did it. Yeah, those who are not completed the work I am talking. You have the work with you now here? Not at home. Some children will do that. Do the work and keep it at home for parents to learn. Everybody has done it. Sambar, completed the work. It is there with you now. I will check the book also. Nedaji, classroom. Not talking and all here. Not talking, huh? I think you have to move little back, little more back. No fan, huh? Fan is up in that end. Okay, I think 2 more sums we left in that exercise. And teacher send the portion for the exam also, no? Okay, next hour when I come, I will find it out then. I think maths 13, 14, 15, 21, 24. Correct, no? Yes. Stop talking, children. Raviram, you are disturbed, I think. Sit down there. You have to listen here, not talking. (13 and 14) that midpoint and section formula. Midpoint and section formula. 14th one is equations of line. 3 different equations we have learned it. Not only that one, many other exercises are there. Finding out the point, lie on the line or not. The next one is, no, in that exercise I am talking. Last exercise is about the equations. Y is equal to mx plus z, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. The line passing through the 2 points. Then that's the 3 equations, and connected with that one we have to learn it. Parallel lines slopes will be equal. Perpendicular lines product of the slopes will be -1. And we can find out the equation of line which is parallel to another line. So second line's slope we have to find out and use that slope and find out the equation. Anyway, we'll do the revision. And 15th one comes similarity. Similarity, 2 exercises, no? 2 or 3? 3, yeah? One exercise is deleted. That size and maps, so that one deleted, other exercise. Basic proportionality theorem becomes one. Then 21 is trigonometry. 21 is trigonometry. 3 or 4 exercises we had, 5 or 6, E, till E. Till E or D or something. Finding out the values from the table and finding out the angles with the help of the table values. The complementary angles property and some other 3 exercises. And 24 is mean, median, mode. Mean with the different ways, median with the different ways and with the help of the graph, and mode also with the different means only 2-3 ways. One is the graph, another one tabulated data and ordinary observation. Pardon? Lower quartile, upper quartile and inter quartile range. That also you have to learn it. Physics, 6th lesson I did not teach you, I will teach. Next class I will teach. That is on Thursday I will teach you that. Teacher is telling the teacher did not keep the... For you it is over. 7th lesson onwards she said, no? 5, 6, 7. What are the answer lesson? 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 lessons. Do the last sum, 8th question. 7th one you can do by yourself. 6th one over. Okay. Here 6th question I did not give a... see this question, a boy scored the following marks in various classes. What is that number there? Then 4, 5, 6 I gave homework, you said? What is this model marks? 2 numbers are repeating, I think. 2 numbers are repeating, so model marks is both the numbers you have to write down. What is this median marks? To get the median marks, you have to write it in the ascending order and according to the... What is the problem there, Yashwan? Sit properly. Or if you want to see everybody, means come and sit down here, so that you can see everybody. Write it in the ascending order and according to the number of terms. How many terms are there? 20. 20 terms are there. Therefore, the median is half of n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. That is 10th term and 11th term average. What are the 10th and 11th terms are coming? 6th question. Pardon? How many bits are there? 4 bits are there. I didn't get you. 11. 20 they are written. What is that? Out of 20. Yeah? Okay. Okay, no problem. So n is equal to 11 means n plus 1 by 2th term. 12 by 2th term is 6th term. Which is the 6th term here? 18. 50. Okay. What are the total marks? Total marks means you have to add all the marks. Some are sitting like that. Don't know what is going on there. Yashwant completed the sums and not looking into that book. Total marks is add all the marks and that is the total marks. And the mean marks. Total observation divided by number of observations. Okay, 7th one you can do the sum, 8th one. 7th one do as homework. 8th question. Some numbers are different. No, not a graph work. Tabulated data, scores and number of shots. 4, 7, 5. What is that? This is not the graph work. Here questions are, what is this model score? Score is 3. Model score is 3. 3 is repeating 4 times. 3 score he got it in 4 shots. 3 score he got it 4 shots. So 4 is no English thought big one is 7. No. Oh, that answer you said. Okay, sorry. Score is 4. Model score is 4. Not in the graph book, Vamsi. Model score is 4. 7 times, which is the more number of times he got it. 7 is the more number of shots. That score is 4. Mode is the most frequently occur. That is more number of times which number will be completed. Taken. What was his median score? To get the median score, you have to write it in the cumulative frequencies. 0, 3, 9, 13, and 20, 25. N is equal to 25. Odd number. So median is equal to n plus 1 by 12th term. That is 25 plus 1 by 12th term, which is equal to 13th term. In which score 13th term falls here. That is 3. 13 is here. The corresponding score is 3. What was his total score? Total score not like that. 0, 0 times. 1, 3 times. 1 into 3, 2, 6 times. 2 into 6, 3, 4 times. 3 into 4, 4, 7 times. 4 into 7, 5, 5 times. All total. That is the total one. Total score is equal to 0 into 0 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 7 plus 5 into 5. Gives 0 plus 3 plus 12 plus 12 plus 28 plus 25. Which one is 80? 80. 15, 27, 35, 45, 55, 60, 80. Mean score. How to find out the mean score? Total score divided by number of observations. Sigma x into f divided by sigma f you can write down. Sigma x into f is the total score. Already we have found out the total score as 80 divided by total one is 25. 75. 10. 3.4 no? 5 only no? 3.2. Seventh one, only you have to find the mean, median and mode of the data. Mean, add all and divided by number of terms. Median is ascending order. Write it in ascending order. Given is in ascending order, and according to the number of terms, find out the mean by using the corresponding formula. Mode is which number is repeating more number of times. Mode you can tell now itself. Which number is repeating more number of times? 5. 5 is the mode. Median, how many terms are there? 16. So 16 means 8th and 9th term, average of 8th and 9th term. 3 and 4. 4 and 5, 4.5. 4 and 5 mean 4.5. Mean is add all and divide by number of terms. From 24F, I will give you some 10 sums as a worksheet. I don't know, teacher put any worksheet to you? Teacher said she will give the worksheet from the... What is that? Yes, sir. Okay. Take the lesson. Cylinder, that mensuration, cylinder, cone and sphere. Thursday's class I will teach you physics. Both the periods will tell this. Lesson 20. First one we have to learn about the cylinder. A rectangular piece of paper or the thick cardboard sheet, if we roll it, we will get the form of the cylinder. And cylinder, only the curved surface will be there, not the lateral surface. In the cube or cuboid, we have learned about the lateral surface. That is the round, surrounding the round part. Here it is the curved surface. That area will be called as the curved surface area. And two bases will be there. What will be the shape of the bases? Circle in shape. Two bases will be there. And what is the area of a circle? Pi r square. This is the shape of the cylinder. This pipe band or pipe or tube band will be in the shape of the cylinder. This is the base of the cylinder. It will be in the circular in shape. And the radius. The radius of the base of the cylinder will be the radius of the cylinder. And the height is this one. This distance is known as the height of the cylinder. Diameter may be given. Diameter is twice the radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Now connected with this only we have the formula. First of all, let us see what is the circumference of the base of the cylinder. What is the shape of the base of the cylinder? Circular in shape. What is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. Circumference of the base of the cylinder is 2 pi r. Pi is a constant value, either 22/7 or 3.14. Then area of the base of the cylinder. Base is in the form of the circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Then next one is curved surface area of the cylinder. Any of the solid, right circular solid, you can find out the curved surface area or the lateral surface area by using the formula perimeter of the base into height. Any of the solid, if you take the cube also, or cuboid also, or cylinder also, the perimeter of the base into height. For example, in the cube, what is the perimeter of the base of the cube? Length into breadth. Cube is all the sides are equal, it will be a square, side square, sorry, 4a, okay, that is area. Perimeter of the base of the cube is 4a, 4 into side, into height. What will be the height of the cube? A only. Because in the cube, all the length of all the edges are equal. That is called the cube. So base perimeter is equal to 4 into A and height is equal to A. The lateral surface area will be 4A into A, which is equal to 4A square. If we take the case of the cuboid, what is the perimeter of the base of the cuboid? Show here, listen here. What is the perimeter of the base of the cuboid? What is the shape of the cuboid? This classroom is in the shape of a cuboid. Now, without considering that part. If we remove that part, here one flat surface is there, means it will be in the shape of a cuboid. What will be the base of shape of the base? Rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. The perimeter of the rectangle on the perimeter of the base of the cube is 2i's L into B, and height can be taken as H. Then this is the lateral surface area of the cuboid. 2i's L plus B into H. So in case if you don't know the formula directly, you can use this method. Perimeter of the base of the solid into height of the solid. Here also, what is the perimeter of the base of the solid? 2 pi r. Write this formula like this: perimeter into height. Perimeter is 2 pi r, height is equal to h. This is the formula to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. 2 pi r h. Now, total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area means curved surface area and the 2 base area. Total surface area is curved surface area and 2 base area will be the total surface area. Curved surface area plus 2 base area. Curved surface area is 2 pi r. 2 base area is 2 pi r square. This is the formula. From this you can take out the common factors. 2 pi r into h plus r. That is the formula to find the total surface area of the cylinder. 2 pi r into h plus r. And another term you have to learn, volume. For volume also there is formula. Area of the base into height. This is a common formula for any of the solid. Area of the, for example, if we take the cube also, cube base area is a square, side into side. Height also is equal to side. Then what will be the formula to find the volume? Side cube, side square into side, or side cube, or a cube. Whereas in the case of the cuboid, what is the base area? We are not in this class, children. Cuboid, what is the base area of the cuboid? Length into breadth. First of all, with this mask, when you say not able to hear anything. Length into breadth. And what is the height of the cuboid? H. What is the formula then? Base area into height, L into B into H. So common formula you can remember for any of the solid, that is cuboid or the cylinder. You can use that common formula and apply in the case of that correspond that according to that solid, what is the base or what is the perimeter. So here also, what is the base area of the cylinder? Base area of the cylinder, pi r square. Base area of the cylinder, pi r square. Height is equal to h. Volume is equal to pi r square h. Is it clear? Now this hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder, what is the difference between the hollow cylinder and the solid cylinder? Solid cylinder, inside full material only will be there, whereas the hollow cylinder, cavity will be there. That pipe handle will come under the hollow cylinder. Thickness will be there. So outer radius will be there, inner radius will be there. That is the hollow cylinder. Curved surface area, inner curved surface area will be there, outside curved surface area will be there. Inner one you can write it 2 pi small r, taking r as the inside radius. This will be the diagram of the hollow cylinder. Inner radius will be there, outer radius will be there. If we take inner radius as R, curved surface area is equal to 2 pi small r h. Outer radius, if we take capital R, this curved surface area will be 2 pi capital R h. And the total surface area. Here total surface area means inside surface area, outside surface area and the base area. Twice the base area. So inner surface area 2 pi small r h, outer surface area 2 pi capital R h, and the base area is like a ring. 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. That is outer area pi r square minus inner area small pi r square. That is why pi capital R square minus small r square. That will be the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. Now volume, here we will say volume of the material used because inside no material is there. So volume of the material used. Same formula, base area. What will be the base area? Pi capital R square minus small r square into h. That will be the volume of the material used in the to make that pipe or to make that hollow cylinder head. Is it clear? All of you, write down this formula. First draw the diagram of the cylinder, that is solid cylinder. Drawing the diagram down, circumference of the base of the cylinder, circumference of the base of the cylinder 2 pi r, circumference of the base of the cylinder 2 pi r. If you use some 40 pages book for that, only one chapter or two will be enough. Circumference of the base of the cylinder 2 pi r, 2 pi r. Circumference of the base of the cylinder 2 pi r. Base area, area of the base of the cylinder, area of the base of the cylinder. Area of the base of the cylinder pi r square. Area of the base of the cylinder pi r square. Curved surface area. Curved surface area. Curved surface area. Write that common formula. Perimeter into height. Curved surface area. Perimeter into height. For any of the right cylinder, right solid you can. Right solid means the height is perpendicular to the base. That is known as the right solid. Perimeter into height equals 2 pi r. Curved surface area 2 pi r. Total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area. Curved surface area. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus 2 base area. Total surface area is equals 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Area will be in square unit, centimeter square or meter square. Whereas the volume will be three quantities will be multiplied. The volume will be in cubic units, centimeter cube or meter cube. Volume is equal to area of the base into height. Volume is area of the base into height. It is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h. Pi r square is the area and h is the height. Now write the heading hollow cylinder. Second. Draw this diagram. Hollow cylinder. Mark the small r and big R also. Inside the radius is small r, outside radius is big R. Here base area is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. The bases will be in the shape of a circular ring. Outer radius and inner radius. So area of the ring is pi capital R square minus small r square. Base area is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. Internal chord surface area. Internal chord surface area. Pi small r. Internal chord surface area 2 pi small r. External chord surface area capital R. Internal curved surface area 2 pi small RH and external curved surface area 2 pi capital RH. Total surface area which is internal curved surface area. CSC you can write down here. Internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area plus 2 base area. Internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area plus 2 base area. Total surface area is equal to internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area plus 2 base area. Which is same as 2 pi small RH pi small r dash plus 2 pi capital R dash plus twice pi capital R square minus small r square. 2 pi small r dash internal surface area, 2 pi capital R dash external surface area plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square base areas. Common, if you take it, only 2 pi can be taken common because here no h and all. Or 2 pi h you can take from there, r plus r into 2 pi into r square minus r square. Or like this only you can. Volume is equal to, a volume is same as volume of the material used. Volume of the material used. And capacity of the cylinder will be asking. Hollow cylinder capacity. Capacity gives by using the internal volume. That is small r pi r square h. Volume of the material